welcome back to the channel. I hope you all doing well. Today we're gonna head to the Rose Bowl in Pasadena because there's an event there called Foodieland, and we're gonna see what delicious treats that they have on offer. So let's get on going. From what I read, there's a similar event like this up in Berkeley. I will put the link in the description below if you want to, see if there's any future events that will be holding similar to this at any location. So yeah, check it out. So many food trucks. Alright, there's so much food. It's just pretty much deciding what we want to try out. So, alright, I think we figured out which one we want first. So, let's go get to that one. Look at that lobster. Very buttery, but really good. Ube Cheesecake! Really good. I think I already mentioned when I did the Jollibee little luncheon. I'll link it up in the corner, up here. Ube is the best. So it pretty much takes the space of one of the large parking lots, and I think the kind of the entrance area of the Rose Bowl once you enter the courtyard. Ooh, thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
I'm a sucker for a good gimmick. It's the size of my head. Look at this. It's huge. It's pretty good. Strawberry lemonade, and they got a few flavors as well. It's a big baby bottle tent, so worth it. And I forgot to mention, there's actually free refills on these things. So, and they do have larger sizes than this. It's probably like one that's like double the size. So if you're really thirsty, there you go. It's a little hilarious seeing all the people carrying baby bottles, but it's all good. We're part of the team. rice is really soft, so perfectly cooked. Well done. The garlic juice on the rice, really good. And wash it all down with some lemonade. Cooked really well, fried to perfection, I have to say. Very delicious. Hawaiian Shaved Ice, perfect on this very hot summer day. We got the strawberry and watermelon flavors. Very refreshing. Alright, I think we filled up on as much food as we can here, so I think it's time we call it. Alrighty friends, that is it for our trip to Foodieland at the Rose Bowl in Pasadena. I hope you had a really good time. I know I did. We were able to eat a lot of delicious food and definitely a lot of choices to choose from. If you want to check out any future Foodieland events, I will put the link in the description below. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and we'll have more adventures just like this next time. Until then, I'll see you all later. Take care.